Today we're going to dive into how to properly measure your spring center and your hub face on your axle. Super easy process. Let's get into it. On today's episode, we're going to dive into spring seat and hub face measurements, show you the proper way to do this. Super easy, and if your axle is actually out, really easy to do. We're going to go from the outside of the hub face here to the outside of the hub face here. So we're going to grab it. A little easier to keep a hold of there. My hub faces from hub face to hub face is 95 inches.
All right, to find our hub face, we're going to start on the outside of the hub face where the wheel touches the hub. Then we're going to go to the same point on the other side, and on this axle, it'll give us 95 inches.
Right on the inside of each of the hubs, you have these little guys here. This is where your springs attach. This is your spring seats. So we're going to go from the center of this one to the center of this one here. So we're going to start. We're going to go all the way down here. And wherever that lands is your measurement. So this is 80 inches. My spring seat is 80 inches here.
So once again, we're going to go to the center of our first spring seat. Then we're going to find that same spot on the other side and measure to that. That's going to give us a measurement of 80 inches for our spring centers. From there, that gives us our overall measurements of 95/80, our hub face being 95 and our spring centers being 80, so we can get the correct axle shipped to us. Hey guys, if you like this video, if it helped you out at all, click the like button, subscribe button so you can stay notified when we do upload new videos. And if you need any assistance at all with trailer repair, parts, or just need some advice on your trailer, feel free to give us a call.